Is your Gmail inbox filling up with too many emails? Gmail filters can automatically organize incoming messages, helping you save time and keep your inbox clean. Whether you want to label, archive, forward, or delete certain emails automatically, Gmail makes it easy. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to create Gmail filters in 2026. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Gmail filters are easiest to create from the desktop version of Gmail. Next, click the Show Search Options icon on the right side of the Gmail search bar. This opens the advanced search window where you'll define your filter conditions. Now enter the conditions for the emails you want Gmail to filter. You can filter messages by sender, recipient, subject, keywords, size, or whether they include attachments. Once you've entered your search criteria, click Create Filter. Gmail will then display a list of actions that can be applied automatically whenever matching emails arrive. Yeah, this is where the automation begins. Select the actions you want Gmail to perform automatically. For example, you can skip the inbox, mark emails as read, apply a label, forward messages, star them, delete them, or prevent them from being marked as spam. You can even select multiple actions at the same time. If you'd like, check the option to apply the filter to existing matching emails, then click Create Filter to save it. Later, you can return to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses to edit or remove any filters you've created. And that's how to create Gmail filters in 2026. With just a few simple rules, you can automate your inbox, reduce clutter, and make important emails much easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.